The truth about belly fat and carbs, how to enjoy carbs and still lose weight. Contrary to common opinion, not all carbs are created equal, and eating carbs while losing weight, particularly belly fat, is achievable. The truth about carbohydrates and how to appreciate them as part of a healthy, balanced diet. Not all carbohydrates are bad. Carbohydrates are a vital source of energy for the body and should be included in a healthy, balanced diet. However, it is critical to select the proper carbohydrate kinds. Concentrate on whole, unprocessed carbohydrates. Instead of refined carbohydrates like white bread, spaghetti, and pastries, choose whole, unprocessed carbohydrates like whole grains, beans, vegetables, and fruit. These carbs have more fiber, which can help you feel full and content and may have additional health advantages. Take note of portion sizes. Even healthy carbs might contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Keep portion proportions in mind and seek to finish eating when you are content, not stuffed. Don't overlook protein and healthy fats. In addition to carbs, protein and healthy fats should be included in your meals and snacks to help you feel full and pleased. Lean meats, eggs, and beans are examples of protein-rich diets, whereas olive oil, almonds, and avocados are examples of healthy fats. You may enjoy carbs as part of a healthy, balanced diet and still lose weight, including belly fat, by selecting the proper types of carbs and paying attention to portion sizes.